Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to show always on display on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that always on display is a feature on smartphone that keeps the screen partially lit, displaying information like time, date, and notification even when the device is in standby mode. And this also allows users to quickly glance at important information without needing to fully wake up or unlock their message or device. Alright guys, so yeah, to do that is very easy. So the first, now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down again, and then now you can go to about wallpapers and personalization. And then guys, after that, now you can click on always on display and you can turn it on. And then for the looks of always on display, you can adjust the style of the analog or the colors. And then the result of always on display will be like this. You can tap when the screen is turned off, and so yeah, it will be show the always on display. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.